drumming my pain with her fingers, singing my life with her words, killing me softly with her song, killing me softly with her song, telling my whole life with her words, killing me softly with her song.
I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter and make believe it came from you. I'm gonna write and say, I hope you're feeling better from make-believe and dreams that won't come true. Oh yeah, yeah, it's true. Nobody, no one will do. I'm gonna write words so sweet, they're gonna knock me off my feet. Lots of kissing at the bottom, hope to feel much better.
You need to love me, and so how am I able to know? You always tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. A million times I've asked you, and then I ask you over again. You only answer, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. If you can make your mind up, we'll never get started. And I don't want to wind up being part of broken hearted. So if you really love me, say yes. But if you don't dare, confess. And please don't tell me, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. Wait.
So goes there, the article sound BomChilom, same way in the place scene. I don't know Freddie McGregor the pandemics. How are
It's impossible. Tell the sun to leave the sky. It's just impossible. It's impossible. Ask a baby not to cry. It's just impossible. Oh yeah. Can I hold you closer to me and not feel you going through me? Split the second that I never think of you. Oh, how impossible.
There is a rose in Spanish Harlem, a red, red rose in Spanish Harlem. It's never seen the sun, it only comes up when the moon is on the run and all the stars are gleaming. I'm gonna pick that rose and watch her as she goes in my garden. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem. A rose grows up in Spanish Harlem, with eyes as black as coal that look down in my soul. It starts a fire and then I lose control and have to beg your pardon. moving in the street right up to the concrete.
Now here comes BomChilom sound. Took a walk and passed your house late last night. All the shades were pulled and drawn way down tight. From within the dim light past the silhouettes on the shade. Oh, what a lovely couple they made. Silhouette, 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 silhouette. Die, oh, silhouette, 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 die, oh. Put his arms around your waist and held you tight. Kisses I could almost taste in the night. Wondering why I'm not the man whose silhouette on the shade I couldn't hide the tears in my eyes. Silhouette, 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 die, oh, silhouette, 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 die, oh. It's true, oh yeah. You're my love, you're my angel, you the girl of my dream. I'd like to thank you for waiting patiently. Daddy's home, Daddy's home to stay. Oh, I've waited for this moment, you to be by your side. Your best friend wrote and told me you had teardrops in your eyes. Daddy's home, Daddy's home to stay. Isn't it strange how princesses and kings in clown-daddy capers in sawdust ring? Just like common people like you and me, when we be less for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, shapeless mass, and the book of rules. And each must make their lives flowing. A tumbling black on a stepping stone. Just like common people like you and me, when we be less for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, shapeless hands, and the book of rules. Pow, 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 pow. Wah, pow, 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 pow. Wah, pow, 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 pow.
I'm Derek Morgan, man. So the sound I call BomChilom is the #1 sound throughout the universe. No boy can't tell.
There is something happening here which isn't exactly clear. There's a man over there telling me I've got to beware. I want to stop. Children, watch this sound. Everybody look, people, what's going on? Nobody's right, everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds, getting so much resistance from behind, getting so
I'ma need you. You're the only one I care enough to hurt about. Maybe I'm crazy, but I just can't live without your loving and affection, giving me direction, like a guiding light to help me through my darkest hour. Lately I'm praying that you'll always be staying beside me. Used to be my life was just emotions passing by, feeling all the while and never really knowing why. Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes goes ah. When she walks, she's like a samba that swings so cool and moves so gentle that when she passes, each one she passes goes ah. Oh, but I watch her so sadly. How can I tell her I love her? Yes, I would give my heart gladly, but each day when she walks to the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at me. Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes I smile, but she doesn't see. No, she doesn't see.
A little love that slowly grows and grows, not one that comes and goes. That's all I want from you. A little kiss that's more than just a kiss, just one that often leaves. That's all I want from you. Don't let me down. You told me that you care. Remember, when you give, you also get your share. Don't let me down. I have no time to wait. Tomorrow may not come, and dreams may be too late. A little love that slowly grows and grows, not one that comes and goes. That's all I want from you.
Now it is BomChilom.
You think I love you for just one thing. To you my love, it may be the way it seems, but I love the way you carry yourself. I even love you for what you may become. Ain't that love in you? Ain't that love in you?
You said that you're the best, but when BomChilom is around, you're second best.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and make you happy. Ready or not, here I come. You can't run. Gonna love you and make you love me. Anywhere you go, anywhere you are, oh baby, hey baby, you can have some love, no. Anything you do, this poor heart wanna know, oh baby, hey baby, you just can't have some love, no. Ready or not, here I come, you can't run. Gonna find you and make you happy.
Pretend you're happy when you're blue. It isn't very hard to do. And you'll find happiness without an end. Whenever you pretend. Remember, anyone can dream. And nothing's bad as it may seem. The little things you haven't got could be a lot if you pretend, yeah.
I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I ever
sun on your skin. You're looking good, girl, all over again. Hey there, beautiful, I want you to know I love you. I love you. You're brown as the sand, you're soft as the shore. You're leaving me hungry, crying for more. Ooh, baby, girl, you're such a score, and I want you to know that I love you, and I bet you didn't know that, girl. You didn't know that I need you right now, baby, right now, baby. And I bet you didn't know that, ebony eyes.
I'm a lonely soldier, many miles from home, with a heart that's heavy and a will that's wrong. Behind I left a woman so dear to me, yeah. Now I'm off to fight a war that they say will make men free. I'm a lonely soldier. I'm a lonely soldier. I'm a lonely soldier. Yes, I am. So won't somebody have mercy on me?
If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know you lied when I left, but now I know I only hurt myself. Oh, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The BomChilom sound, the King Champion sound from Italy.
Like how to do your 10 soldiers, your clowns too. They're all laughing at you. I'm laughing at you too. Like basketball, 5,000, that was all. The games you really knew, yeah. Why couldn't I be you in the middle of the room? Got no time to count my sheep today. How could I let you get away when I knew I need somebody soon? How could I let you get away when I knew I need somebody soon?
Ever since you went away, every day it's just a cloudy day, and I don't know if it's rain from the skies, tears from my eyes falling on my face and rolling down my cheek.
song. Let me be your one and only one with just one kiss. Stop the rain from the skies, tears from my eyes falling on my face and rolling down my cheek.
I wake up in the morning with my hair down in my eye. She says Then I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids were going off to school. Goodbye. She reaches out, takes my hand, squeezes it and says, how you feeling? Oh. And I look across her smiling lips that warms my heart and see my morning sun. And if that's not loving me, then all I've got to say, oh God, it make the little green apples and it don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime. There's no such thing as Mother Susan, Disneyland and Mother Goose, ain't no nursery.
My first song with downbeat was No Man is an Island. Yeah.
Can you remember it?
Yeah man, no man's an island, no man stands alone.
Sing it, bro.
No man is an island. No man stands alone. Treat each man as a brother, and remember each man's dream as your own. Now we need one another, oh yes, and we ought to try to be friends. Each man has a brother, and each man has a friend. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun. Said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. Oh yeah. When I'm alone and I need someone to talk to, I talk to your picture. I get me a pencil and paper and write all the things, say all the things you used to say before, but with a little extra, read all about it, sugar and spice. I guess it makes me feel kinda nice. I write a letter to myself. Write another letter.
Even when there's no one sitting there,
But the chair is just a chair, and the house is not a home when there's no one there to hold you tight and no one there you can kiss.
Good night. A room is still a room,
Even if there's nothing there but gloom. But the room is not a house, and the house is not a home when the two of us are far apart and one of us has the broken.
Hey, come the running sound, BomChilom sound. You understand from Panova City. I'm here to say the phrase, Gap Rank, so give that.
Mess around with the man. It's a shame the way you hurt me. It's a shame the way you mess around with the man. You're like a child at play on a sunny day with your play toy that you roll. It's a shame the way you mess around with the man. It's a shame, me with my emotions. It's a shame, the way you mess around with your man. I try to stay with you, give you love so true. You don't appreciate the love I try to make. It's a
for me, my willow tree. Don't shed your tears eternally, 'cause I have found the love I search for. I need your tears no more.
Hey, it's BomChilom, champion sound.
That girl, I'm gonna make her mine if it takes all night. That girl, I'm gonna make her mine if it takes all night. Good evening, sweet darling. May I ask your name? You seem to be lonely, but don't worry, I'm feeling the same. Oh, it's a good situation, a splendid combination, that we should meet at a time like this. Oh, it's a good situation, a splendid combination. You're something that I just can't miss. That girl, I'm gonna make her mine if it takes all night. That girl, I'm gonna make her mine if it takes all night.
This music is also bounces off of the great American music that I grew up listening to. You mentioned a song like Daddy's Home. You've covered
Right.
tunes like The Great Pretender. We're talking about the influences like Curtis Mayfield and the Impressions, you know, coming from that great music. But as a Jamaican artist, you brought another element into it and made this music even greater in a way.
I always add my input to the song.
Uh-huh.
I never just copy. I add something
Right.
to somebody else's creativity.
Yes.
So you wouldn't try to compare both songs because they're different.
dancehall massive. This is BomChilom, the ruling sound out of Italy. Mars if it said that.
I was born and raised in the ghetto. I was born and raised in the ghetto. I'm a woman of the ghetto. Listen to me, little Stato. How do you raise your kids in the ghetto? How do you raise your kids in the ghetto? Feed one child and starve another. Tell me, little Stato. How do you make your bread in the ghetto? How do you make your bread in the ghetto? Break from the souls of the dead in the ghetto. Tell me, little
Well, BomChilom, number one. You don't want to.
Baby, don't fight it.
Oh no, no. I'm coming, girl.
Do you know how tall the trees are? The reason it grows. You may ask me all these questions, but darling, no one knows. It should be clear, I really, really love you. Don't ask me why, I just do. Do you ask the Lord who love you, why he paints the sky so blue? Ooh, 'cause that's the way nature planned it for you and me, girl. Living together, I said that's the way Mother Nature planned it. Don't ask me how long I love you. When you're gone, my heart aches. I'm never, 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 never gonna leave you, girl, all my life. For you I'll wait. Mother Nature planned it. Why does the river flow? No one knows, but that's the way nature planned it. Keeping you and me together. Ooh, yeah.
This is our fork in the road. Love's last episode. There's nowhere to go. Oh no, you made your choice. Now it's up to me to find out gracefully. Although you hold the key, baby, whenever you call me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be around. I knew just what to say, but now I find out today that although one has slipped away, that I know there's always a chance, and the sparkle remains, yeah, and sparks turn into flames, and love can burn once again. But I know you know, whenever you call me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there.
This is Carter Campbell for BomChilom sound, original dancehall sound.
How you mean a BomChilom sound?